Hey there YouTube friends, my name is Haley. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I like to do beauty tutorials, looks, etc, etc. Today I'm really excited for this video because I feel like it's hopefully going to help somebody, and that is tips and tricks to grow your hair long and healthy. Now the reasons behind these videos is because I feel like the thing that I get asked the most questions about and the most compliments on are my hair and how healthy it always is, how soft, how long, and how fast it grows. And I kind of want to share that with you. I'm going to preface by saying that I know that I am extremely lucky to have the hair that I have. I have straight hair. This is out of the shower a few hours ago. I literally just brushed it. So I'm going to start off by saying that I know that I'm very lucky with my hair, and I know that not everybody has the same textures that I do. But I'm hoping that at least something in this video will be of help to you. The second reason I want to film this video now is because in 2 weeks, I'm chopping my hair off. I'm doing it. I'm really nervous. I am really nervous. I kind of go back and forth between wanting to do it. I am going to be donating at least 8 inches of my hair. So if I measure about 8 or 9 inches, it's going to be, that's about shoulder length, but I think I'm going to go a little bit higher, about collarbone length. And I absolutely love my long hair. I do. I love it. But I've been really feeling short hair vibes lately. Like, you know, long bob, all to the side. I think it's going to be super cute. I've had long hair forever. And I do chop off quite a bit. I sometimes even do like 6 or 7 inches, but it's still always long. I've never had like a short hair. So I think it's just kind of time for a change. Talking about a haircut brings me into my first tips and tricks, which is cutting your hair. Now, I have not had my hair cut since January. So over 6 months I have not cut my hair, just because that's just the way that timing worked out with COVID and salons being shut down and everything. But my hair right now, is just extremely grown out. It's just all one length. It's all one length. It's extremely heavy. My layers are, there's still a few there, but for the most part they're grown out, and it's just getting all in my way. Now, not that it's a bad thing, but I will say my hair is not growing as fast as it has in the past when I would get it cut more frequent. Before, what I would do is get it cut about every 3 months, and I would usually cut about 3 inches off because, like I said, I'm very, very thankful and grateful. My hair grows extremely fast. It grows about 1 inch a month. So when I would cut my hair, it would kind of just go back to where it was, and it would always stay one length. So my hair was growing extremely fast. I feel like my hair right now is not growing that fast, but the health of it is impeccable. Length is not growing so much, but I have so many baby hairs right now, like more than I normally ever would. I have some right here. I have super weird baby hairs, like right here. There's some that are longer than the other, and then there are some coming in. And then back here, these are the ones that, these are the ones that kill me right here. There's some that are this length, and then there's some that are like way longer than that, and I can almost put them up in a ponytail, almost, which I wasn't able to do before, so that tells me it's growing. I feel like the most important thing I can share with you is just to leave your hair alone. Let it be. And once again, I know that's easier said than done, especially if you have a wavy, curly, or textured hair. I know that it's hard, but trust me, it's hard for us straight hair girls too. I want to wear my hair curly. I want to curl it every day. I want to give it some volume and body, but I know that if I do that, I'm damaging my hair. So I make an active choice to not damage my hair as much as I can. I really only do my hair for special occasions. Other than that, I let it be. And honestly, that is the best thing that you could possibly do. The less you use tools, curling irons, blow dryers, rollers, straighteners, all of that, the less damage you're going to have on your hair. Duh. Besides not damaging your hair, I feel like it's really important to give your hair and your scalp some love. And here are the ways that I do that. A lot of hair masks. I do at least 1 a week. I'm going to show you the 2 I'm using right now. I'm using this Kristen S Reconstructive Moisture Mask. This Makes your hair feel so silky. And then I'm also using this Not Your Mother's Matcha Green Tea with Apple Blossom Butter Mask. This you got to be careful with because it is so thick, and the first time I used this I actually forgot to wash it out, and that was like the greasiest hair day I've ever had. But it really does work. I've also used plenty of other ones in the past that I like. The Eva NYC Moroccan oil is amazing. Anything that they make is super good, and I love hair masks and I want to try more. Those are some of the ways that I give my hair some love. I put that on in the beginning of the shower, put my hair up, and then do the rest of my shower routine and wash it out. The way that I give my scalp some love, one is this little guy here. This is a scalp massager brush. I got this on Amazon, and there's tons of these on Amazon. And what I do is I put my shampoo on my head, and then I use this to lather it up. I go in circular motions. This helps, one, exfoliate your scalp and get rid of some flakes, and two, improves the blood flow to your scalp, which will help your hair grow longer. Like I just quickly mentioned, I do get a little flaky here and there. My scalp gets really dry and itchy. So I also use this Not Your Mother's Bamboo Charcoal and Purple Moonstone Exfoliator for your scalp. And I have a whole video on this, and I'll link it above. This is still one of my favorite things to use. But this smells amazing, and it's full of these little beads, and before you shampoo, you just get your hair wet, put some of this on, exfoliate your scalp, and wash it out. And this to me also almost seems like a hair mask, because just when you use this and you wash it out, my hair is already the smoothest it's ever been. Another tip and trick I have for you is the way that you brush your hair. I brush my hair from the bottom up. So I start at the bottom and I work my way up. Now that is because if you start at the top here and start brushing down and you have a ton of tangles, you're not going to be going anywhere. You get stuck, and trust me, I get stuck. But if you start from the bottom, you can kind of slowly start working the knots out, so you don't just rip through your hair and rip all of it out. You can kind of undo the knots. Also, something that's really helpful is brushing your hair before you take a shower, and that way once you wash it, condition it, do whatever you gotta do, when you get out, it's already detangled. You don't have to worry about ripping through your wet hair. Now, I know that you've probably heard that biotin and collagen help your hair, and I believe that they do. I don't take any supplements or anything. I take a multivitamin every day, but that's not enough to actually show results on my hair. But, I mean, if you do have problems with hair growth, I would highly suggest it. It is proven to work, but you don't have to take a supplement to get those vitamins and minerals into your system. There's also tons of products out there that have biotin in it specifically. I'm currently using this from Hask. It's a Biotin Boost 5-in-1 leave-in spray. So this has biotin and collagen in it, and it's a detangler and a strengthener and heat protectant and all of these things, and I really like that. That is all I have in my hair right now. So after I take a shower, I spray this all over, including my scalp, which I normally wouldn't do with a hair product, but because it has biotin in it, I want to get it as close to my scalp as possible. I've also tried some shampoos and conditioners that have biotin in it, and those for me don't work as well as the spray. Like they made my hair grow and they made it thick. So I'm not saying that they didn't work, because they absolutely did work. The problem is they worked too well, and it made my hair super thick, almost to the point like that I couldn't handle it anymore. Like it was so much hair. And once again, I know my hair is straight, but I have a lot of it. Getting off track from the biotin for a minute, I just want to share a few of the other products that I use in my hair daily. And these are the ones that have been staples and I have been using for years. And that is the Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner. When I don't use the Biotin Boost as a detangler, I use this as my detangler. Find this anywhere. There's like this much left in it. I can't find it anywhere, so I'm like holding on for dear life. I also use this argan oil of Morocco from OGX, and I just spray this, not too much though, because I don't want my hair to be oily, but I like this because it's in a spray and you don't have to like actually put oil in your hair. I have used a few drugstore ones, like I have a Matrix Total Results in there right now, but it's for color. That was more for when I had my hair colored more than it is now, which I hopefully will be using again once I actually get my. And one of the last things that I have for you today is to minimize the damage you use with your hair ties. I have major problems with hair ties, as you know if you have watched any of my videos before. So, hair is straight And I know that people think straight hair is easy, but it's not. It gets so tangled so fast. Literally, I will turn my head and turn back and there's a bunch of tangles in it already. So my hair would get just absolutely tangled in any hair tie that I use. So I have found one hair tie that I absolutely love, that I feel like leaves no damage in my hair, the Invisibobble. I have been searching high and low for hair ties that will work in my hair, and I think that this is the best one. It does not get tangled in your hair. I have never had one tangle with this in my hair. And it's really flexible, so while it holds my hair, it's also not super tight, so it's not like squeezing my scalp back, you know? But it holds it, but it's loose enough where it doesn't like cut off the circulation. So, pro hair ties. I will be honest with you. I was a big fan of these for a while, but after using them more, I'm not so much anymore. So I made a whole video about these two, and this is when I was obsessed with these. But lately, I've been getting my hair caught. So I'm going to show you. Like, you break this open, and you know, you stick it back in, kind of like a chain that you would use on a dog tag. But my hair has been getting caught in this, and not on purpose. It's just like when I'm using this to put in my hair will somehow slide in this little thing, and it ends up getting tangled, and I have to break it off. So I have not been liking this lately. More often than not, my hair is up in a bun or a ponytail, and I always use these, and I actually need to invest in some more. So those are all the tips and tricks I have with you, and if you could walk away with one thing from this video, it's just give your hair some love. And once again, I know that's easier said than done. I know that people cannot just walk out of the shower like I can and have straight hair, or, you know, hair that you feel comfortable with. But if you can, just leave it alone. It'll grow much faster, be much healthier, much shinier if you just let it be and give it some love. Let me know in the comments below if you want to go with me to the salon when I chop my hair off. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.